Hey guys, what's going on? It's Logan here from Hunting Pros. It's another brisk day in Nova Scotia. Just got back from snowshoe hare hunting with my buddy Jeff, and we got a couple today. But now we're going to show you how to sharpen a knife in under a minute. So for years, guys, I always use these sharpening stones. This one here is a Lansky. Works pretty well, but takes a while. For today, we're going to be showing you how to do it with a standard bench grinder. This one is a 6-inch bench grinder, felt buffing pads, and buffing compound. And today, this Groman knife is going to be what we're sharpening. It's pretty dull right now, and you'll see the results when we're done. So literally all you got to do, guys, is once your felt wheel is installed, you turn on the grinder and you apply some of the buffing compound to the felt wheel. So we'll do that now and show you how it works. Now that the compound's been placed onto the buffing wheel, we're going to pass the knife through it. All in all, guys, that's how you sharpen a knife for hunting in less than a minute. For safety reasons, please make sure the guard is down. We didn't today for demonstration purposes, but always do that to keep yourself safe. And I hope you guys took something from this. If you did, please slap that like button and also subscribe to the channel and check out my social media in the description below. See you later.